used to think love meant a doorway to a place where I could finally rest, a home with my name in the future, a life I could trust in my chest. I thought belonging came with forever, that safety was something we'd make. I never knew building my whole world could mean giving someone so much to take. I don't want the fairy tale anymore if the ending can't leave me with none. I don't want my whole life in somebody's hands and call that becoming one. I want a home that stays mine, a future that doesn't disappear, a place where I know I belong, even when nobody else is here. I want roots that nobody can pull up, a life that is mine when things change. I want everything I thought love was giving me, without giving it power to take it away. Mornings that still feel like safety, even if no one's lying beside me. I want dreams that don't need someone's promise to tell me who I'm allowed to be. I want friends, I want laughter and purpose, I want somewhere my heart can belong. I want to know when the world starts shifting, I'm still standing when everything's gone, because I learned love isn't protection, and forever isn't something we're owed. You can give someone every room in your heart and still end up walking alone. So I want a home that stays mine, a future that doesn't disappear, a place where I know I belong, even when nobody else is here. I want roots that nobody can pull up, a life that is mine when things change. I want everything I thought love was giving me, without giving it power to take it away. Maybe one day love could find me, but it won't be holding the keys. It won't decide whether I have a future, it won't decide what happens to me. It can walk beside what I built, but it won't become the ground. I will never hand someone my whole world again, just to keep them around. I want a life I don't have to gamble for somebody else's embrace. I want peace that isn't conditional, and a home no goodbye can erase. I want my name inside my own story, my future still mine either way. Everything I thought love was giving me, I wanna learn how to give myself someday. And if love ever comes back around, it can meet me already whole. It can add to the life I am living, but it won't get ownership of my soul, because love should never be the price of having somewhere safe to stay. I want the life I thought love was giving me, without handing someone the power to take that life away.